Two men were stranded in the middle of the ocean. No land in sight. Nothing but water as far as the eye could see. One man starts to panic. He says, "We're never getting out of here. There's nothing around us. If there was land, we would see it by now." The other man looks up and he sees a bird and he smiles because he knows something that the first man doesn't. Birds don't fly in the middle of the ocean. If there's a bird, land is close. You just can't see it yet. Before we get into the video, if you're not on my email list yet, the link is in the description box down below, and I'm gonna explain to you why this is in your best interest. When you sign up, you get 1,000+ secret subliminals that I have personally curated over the past 3+ years. These are the best subliminals on YouTube. I have meticulously gone through all of them, kept only the ones that work instantly, and kicked out the ones that didn't work. You are getting 3 years of research handed to you for free. Plus, I send emails that my subscribers reply to saying that they needed to hear this exact information today. So it's channeled. Go sign up. It is the first link in the description box down below. Okay, back to the birds. So what does this have to do with manifesting? Well, the answer is everything. This analogy is birds before land, BBL. And it explains one of the most misunderstood phrases in the law of assumption community. It was so misunderstood that I cringed at it before something huge happened to my client today and yesterday, and I had a light bulb moment and I thought I have to share this with you. This is the truth and nothing but the truth about birds before land. This is the phase where people get distracted or they completely give up. This is where people spiral or decide that their manifestation isn't coming, nothing's working. When you're manifesting something specific, it could be a person, it could be money, a desired life, whatever. There's a period between where you are now to where you want to be. It can be a moment gap, it can be a couple of weeks. Neville Goddard called this the bridge of incidents. It's the series of events that your subconscious mind constructs to move you from your current reality to your desired reality. And here's what nobody tells you about the bridge of incidents. It doesn't always look like what you're manifesting. It sometimes looks like what you're manifesting before it. The birds before land. So what does this actually mean in real life? So you're manifesting your SP. You are consistently holding yourself in the state of the wish fulfilled diligently. You're putting in the work, and all of a sudden your slimy ex comes back, the one that you don't want to be with. They start begging you to get back together with them. That's not your manifestation, but it's the bird. Or you're manifesting $10,000 a month and $500 drops in your lap out of nowhere. That is not your manifestation, but it's a bird. You keep wanting to move to New York and all of a sudden everyone is moving to New York. What the hell? Not your manifestation, but it is birds before land. This is what I personally experienced when I was manifesting moving to New York. Everyone was moving there. And also when I was manifesting huge promotions at my work, everyone was seeming to be getting promotions. My friends from other companies or people in my workplace in different departments, and it was driving me absolutely mental. But it was right before I actually moved to New York or I actually got that big promotion, right? Or you're manifesting a viral video and you post a video and it does a little bit better than what you usually get, but it's not viral. That's a bird. That's a BBL drizzy. Signs, synchronicities, near misses, and the most annoying part, seeing other people get your manifestation before you. Or things look like something that you want, but it's never quite exactly what you're manifesting. Unexpected opportunities in the direction of your desire. These are all birds. Parrots, tits, falcons, whatever you want to call it. And the person who panics, the person who says, oh shit, I've been doing all of this work and nothing, I'm seeing other people get my shit and not me. I'm seeing my dumbass ex reaching out, but I'm not getting the love of my life. The person who says, this is not working. I'm in the middle of the ocean. They're looking at the water, but they're not looking up. The person who knows, they see a bird and they feel it in their body. Land is close, not hopefully, but they have this calm, peaceful inner knowing. That is the person who wins. That is why your interpretation of the 3D is everything. Two people can be in the exact same circumstance and have completely different inner experiences because one knows how to read the signs and one completely doesn't. The bridge of incidents is not a straight line from A to B. It's a series of unfolding events that might look random, might look unrelated, might even look like setbacks, but baby, they're the path. They are the constructions of your manifestations in the real physical 3D world. Your only job during the bridge is to stay on the ship. Keep sailing. Don't jump into the damn ocean when you don't see land yet, because the birds are already there. And a big thing I want to say is use those birds before land as inspiration, as a sign to keep going, as reassurance and support that you are in the right direction, nothing else. But I need to talk to you about something that I see a lot of people doing in my Facebook group, Rita Kaminsky's LOA Baddies. It is the biggest mistake that people can make right before their manifestation comes. Once people learn about birds before land or bridge of incidents, they do one in two things, and both are wrong. Mistake number one, they start hunting for birds. Instead of living in the state of the wish fulfilled and consistently bringing yourself back into the knowing that my manifestation is here now, and how does that feel? They are now obsessing over the 3D. Countless posts say, my SP took a photo on his story and it has to do with this. Is that birds before land? Scrolling for signs, analyzing every little thing. Was that a bird? Was that a bird? They are so focused on finding birds and bridge of incidents that they are keeping themselves in that transitional state, not actually keeping them in the state of the wish fulfilled. They're in the state of manifesting more birds before land, signs, bridges of events. Again, oh my God, I want to shout this from the rooftops. I don't want you looking at bridges of events at all, because bridges of events can be literally within 1 second, something can happen. It doesn't need to be a step-by-step process. So don't focus on the bridge of events. The bridge of events can be literally you going into SATS, waking up, and you get the text from your SP. Done. So it's not your job to analyze the bridge of events, because it can be instant or it can take a little bit of time. Just keep bringing yourself back into the state no matter what. No matter if you see bridge of incidents or BBLs, your only job is to feel supported, feel happy that your manifestation is on the way, and then tell yourself, oh, I already have it right now. How does it feel to have this right now? And get excited. I feel loved. I feel so joyful. I feel so confident. I feel like I made it. I feel like I'm set for life. I feel purposeful. I feel beautiful. Like, just really feel like it is a done deal and it's real right now. Whatever you focus on, you get more of. Your attention is your superpower. So I really want to make this abundantly clear. If you are constantly focusing on looking for signs, synchronicities, birds before land, bridge of incidents, you're just going to be manifesting more of that. More birds, more bridges, and the journey will never end. Because you're always in the middle. You're always in the process. You're always in the journey and you never arrive. Again, your job is to not bring yourself into the state where you are seeing signs. Your job is to have BBLs and bridges of incidents completely wiped out of your brain. When one comes, all of a sudden, cool. Thank you very much, subconscious mind, for showing me that I'm on the right track, for supporting me. Let me get back to business and bring myself back and tell you, my subconscious mind, actually, I have it right now. That's all you need to do. Mistake number two, and I faced this with my intensive coaching client this morning. They see a BBL and they think, what the hell? my manifestation is not here, I want to give up. They have an almost there moment. They start questioning, do I really want this SP, or do I want someone else? Or do I even want anyone? Do I want to manifest something else? They begin wobbling. They begin wavering. And again, your only job is to stay in the state of the wish fulfilled. And instead of reading it correctly, like, oh my God, your manifestation is literally right here. You have been doing everything correctly. They decide that it's proof that it's not working. They get discouraged because they don't see 100% fully their manifestation. Right at the moment where they were the closest. Both mistakes come from the same root. Being too focused on the outside rather than being anchored on the inside and knowing that it is done. Consistently bringing yourself back to it's done, it's already done, it's already mine. This is the sweet spot, and this is what you actually do. You see a bird, you acknowledge it. You let yourself feel genuinely excited. Oh my God, this is happening. I'm doing everything correctly. My manifestation is on the way. You feel it, you receive it, you smile, and then you move on and get back into the state of the wish fulfilled. I'm with my SP now. It feels amazing. You don't analyze it and you don't go posting about it on my Facebook group. You don't spend the next 3 hours trying to find more birds, pontificating, talking to other people about whether that was a bird or not. That is just lack, doubtfulness, wavering, wobbling, all of that. Everything is just you not being in the state of the wish fulfilled. Instead, acknowledge it once, get excited, feel supported, and come back home. Back to the state of the wish fulfilled. Back to the confident, peaceful person that knows that they already have it. Why do I need to check that my sports car is parked outside of my driveway when I have it? Why do I need signs that I have it when I know that I have it? That's the job, and that's always been the job. Bringing yourself back home to yourself and knowing that it's already done. The birds are not the destination. They're just support telling you you're on the right path, you're doing everything right. Keep doing exactly what you're doing now. You note them, you appreciate them, and you keep your eyes on the prize. You keep your eyes on where you are going and what you want. You keep staying in the state of the wish fulfilled, not on what you're passing along the way. Stay in the state that's always been the whole thing, nothing else. That's it. Quick reminder, if you haven't joined my email list yet, you are missing out on 1,000+ curated subliminals curated by me for the past 3 years. Only the ones that work instantly made the cut. Plus emails, gentle reminders that you are on the right path. I'm supporting you. I'm telling you what you need to hear right in this moment. You get a notification from me saying, you're doing amazing, bestie. I talk about the real inner work, the mindset that you have to have, just reminders and support, the practical tools, everything that you would ever need. You get a notification from me. It's freaking bomb. Link is in the description. Come join us. So next time something shows up that's kind of close to what you want, but not quite it, don't dismiss it. Don't obsess over it either. Look at it once, acknowledge it, say, hey, that's a bird. I'm freaking doing amazing, sweetie. I am doing the best. I'm actually being perfect in my manifesting routine. I'm in the state of the wish fulfilled. Go me. And then you move on. You keep staying and bring yourself back to the state. Feel the excitement because land is near. You're not stranded. Your manifestation is literally on the brink. And then come back inside. And with that, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.